So I know why you're here. You're like, hey Trevor, you gave us this badass IPTV website. You taught us how to create this badass business on WordPress, but where's the customers? Where's the people? Where's the money? Why nothing happening? Shut up! Let me show you how to win the online game of getting sales online. So let me show you right now. Now this applies to any business that you do online, anything you sell online. Today we're gonna be talking about the panel, the website, and the customers. But normally with any regular business, you just have your website and your customers, and the panel would just be the product, right, that you're selling. Now, when it comes to what you're selling online, it's a few steps inside of these three categories that you must do in order to be successful. Let me show you what they are. Now in the panel, there's 3 steps in here. On the website side of things, there is 7 in here. And in the customer side of things, there's also 7 over here. Now, on your panel, as you know, we have the credits. Okay. You also have the controls, which is what the panel is, and you also can resell. Now, with your website, I won't be going over all 7 today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can see exactly the upcoming videos of exactly what's inside the website and inside the customer section in order to get you profitable online. So today we're just going to talk about the very top of the basics, all right? So we're just going to talk about the website, and which is the first thing is the copy. And you know what, since you guys are here, I'll throw another one in, and that's the testimonials, right? And on the customer side of things, how are you going to get these people to your website, right? You're probably thinking like they're just not going to appear out of thin air. You have to do something about it. You have to actually go out there. But where do you go, right? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about just one thing, because you need to subscribe in order to see what the next 6 are, right? So we're going to be talking about blogs, right? So we're going to use blogs in order to get our message out there. Now on the website that I actually give you guys, the one I actually built, I'll show it right here on the screen. As you can see here, all of this text, all of this words right here that's on the page, that's called copy, right? That's the words that's actually going to get the customers to say, yo, they're talking about me. How do I get what you're offering on this website? And that's very, very important. So when it comes to the copy, we're talking about the headline, which is called the H1, which is the really, really big one, really, really big words at the really, really top. And then you have what's called the H2, which is the sub headline, right? It's like the next size underneath the big one. And then you have the paragraph, which is just those, the actual words that they read all the way down, right? And what's super important about this is that a lot of people don't have time to read your entire website paragraph and everything that you got written there. So it's very important to bold out the benefits of what you're talking about, right? So bolding is very important inside of your paragraphs. The best handwriting in the world, right? Now, the next thing, right, on the website that I actually give you guys, if you guys don't know what website I'm talking about, go ahead and click the link inside of the description. It's a website that I build for you guys. A lot of customers have it, but they just don't know how to get the people to it so they can get money. And that's what this is telling you, right? So the next thing that's important is the testimonials, right? What kind of testimonials? Like what is testimonial? Testimonials is what the people that actually bought your subscription are talking about. They're raving about it. They're saying how nice it is, how good it is. So it's very important that you have testimonials, right? So in testimonials, you'll have people talking about it. You'll also have people showing pictures. So you can take the pictures and put it on your website as well to show off what you're offering and how good it is, right? You can take screenshots, right? And mind you, all of this right here, also, but let me not forget, you can take video, right? You can put video, which is the video at the very top of the webpage that I actually build for you guys, right? So I build the webpage for you, but you go ahead and put the video inside there and show people like, this is how it works, this is how the product works, this is how awesome it is, and this is what you'll be getting when you buy today. And all of these things right here is very important. All of these things right here is called proof. All right, very, very important. It's called proof. If you guys can't see that, I'll slide it up a little bit. That's called proof, you guys. All right, without proof, you're not selling anything at all, which is why it's very, very important that you have a website that has all of these things built in already, right? Which is what I've done for you guys, right? I built all these things in. So the website that I have for you guys has the H1, has the H2, it has the paragraph talking about the story of what the pain of people going through, right? It has the pictures, it has the screenshots, it has the video, and it has the proof. Now, you're probably saying, all right, cool, I understand what needs to be on the website, but where do I get the people? Where's the people? Shut up! Got you, right? So, the people that we're gonna be talking about today, because we got many more in the next videos. I'm gonna be talking about social media, I'm gonna be talking about multi-level marketing, I'm gonna be talking about email marketing, right? I'm gonna be talking about ads, right? Super, super crazy stuff. So, now, as far as today, we're gonna be talking about blogs. And then next video, we'll probably talk about influencer marketing, right? It's super necessary. So blogs, right? What kind of blogs are we talking about here? Now, you have to remember, when it comes to people that's buying your stuff online, you have to ask yourself, well, what are they already interested in, right? Where are these people already at? Now, people normally that wanna watch TV and stuff like that, they are probably on sites like Netflix or Amazon or any of those sites that a bunch of people come together and talk about movies, maybe reviews and all that type of stuff. So you just look on blogs, and one of the biggest blogs out there is called Quora, right? Quora, Q-U-O-R-A, Quora, right? And you can go on, what you're probably thinking is, oh my God, cool, I go on blog, or I already know about Quora. Trev, what are you trying to tell me? I'm trying to tell you that you just don't go on Quora blog and start blasting, buy, right? This is you. Buy now. Click here. Order today. No, you don't do that, bro. You don't do that. That's the fastest way to get your ass kicked out. You don't do that. You don't go in the blog and start talking about buy now, click here, order today. You get kicked out for that type of stuff. All right, but this is super powerful if you know how to use it. Now, if you guys want to know how to actually post in blogs and try to find your traffic, I actually have a way easier way, and I tell you step by step inside of a video step-by-step series of exactly how to do it, how to go on blogs, what to say to get your stuff out there so people can start coming back to your website and buying your shit. Because that's what we all want at the end of the day, right? You got a website, badass website, it's supposed to convert, right? But it ain't gonna do nothing if you ain't gonna get the people there, right? You're gonna be covering much more in later videos. So as for right now, if you guys do not have the website, go ahead and click the link down below. In the description, there's the website. I built it for you guys. All you guys gotta do is pick your domain name, what you wanna put it to the website. It's already done. You'll have your website in like an hour or so, whatever the case may be. And then you need to follow these steps of getting people to your website, because it's just not gonna happen on its own. You gotta get them there. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you learned something. And until next time, you guys, peace out.